remember how to say vanilla?
Vanilla.
Let's go.
Awesome. Hey y'all, if you are here for the vanilla, you are in the right place.
It's a vanilla.
Vanilla.
You can read it on the bottom.
Tomato, tomato. We're gonna get on with it, okay? Vanilla, leave me alone about it. Back to the story. We're gonna be mixing a key lime Collins all the way from South Florida, and nothing pairs better with that than great company and a little snack. So we're gonna bring in AJ, mix up a smoked fish dip, match made in heaven. I hope you're ready. Let's get into this Absolut Vanilia. I think I nailed it. Okay guys, I feel like we really see Absolut Vanilia shine in the espresso martini, but I wanna see where we can go in a different direction. My good friend Lime. We're gonna take this to South Florida today. We're gonna be replicating one of my favorite desserts, the key lime pie. And what better way to do it than invite my good friend AJ in to help. AJ! Good God.
Hello.
Why are you such a creep?
Love a good creep.
A good creep. You showed me Fika.
This
Wow.
is cozy.
I'm never leaving.
We're all in good company.
I want to show you something like Fika. Maybe this is some South Florida Fika. Because we are in Scandinavia, we are making smoked salmon. Stick around, of course, because the real meat here is our delicious key lime Collins featuring Absolut Vanilia. You don't want to miss it. AJ, are you ready?
I was born ready for this.
So you're gonna probably want to use 2 forks to just sort of shred it like you would a chicken if you've ever made like a taco. I've got sour cream and mayo blended here. Do you like dip spicy, AJ?
Oh, I love a good spicy dip.
I think the key to a good South Florida fish dip is really some heat and some tang. Traditional Cajun spice here. I'm gonna be pretty liberal.
What do you think of this shred over here?
She's looking good.
Some fishy business.
So I'm just gonna kind of soften this up with a spatula. You feeling good about that?
I'm feeling pretty confident about this shred.
I'm going to zest us a little bit of lemon. Give these little babies a good dice. If you cut just like this, you can squeeze your juice, lose the seeds, season as we go. It's not my move, it's not my move. I'm admiring your knife skills. Have you spent time in the kitchen?
I was kind of banned from the kitchen when I worked in a bar. Too many snacks in the job.
I would like to add a little more crunch. I'm thinking it needs something like this spring onion, just fine diced. So we're just gonna kind of fold in our chives here, make sure everything is well incorporated. You wanna taste?
Oh, get in there.
What do you think, Max?
Heavenly.
You heard it here first. Spice is nice.
Can never have too much hot sauce.
What do you call a spatula in Sweden?
A slickepot.
A sleeky pot.
I like your little pot. Swedes are weird. We just need some cocktails.
I love that. The first thing that we need to do in order to get ready to make this delicious key lime Collins is subscribe to this channel. And I am so sick of everybody telling me they've subscribed when they haven't, so we're gonna enforce some policy around here. I wanna see everyone's phone. Max, everyone, show the phones. Good, good. Frank.
Yeah, sure, of course.
Oh, well, this is awkward.
I'm good.
Don't ever scare me like that again, Frank.
Sweaty moment.
All right, we're all doing it. You should do it too. Everyone cool is subscribing, they're liking. But back to the good stuff, the drink. We're gonna be building this in our shaking tin. Of course, have the star of our show, Absolut Vanilia. Some coconut syrup, which, before you come for me, coconut is not a hallmark in the traditional key lime pie. However, it's my drink, it's my choice. So we're adding coconut. Hope you like that. Last but not least, we're gonna need some fresh squeezed lime juice. I'm gonna ask you to get that garnish going.
Yep.
What we're gonna have here for this drink is a rim. Combination of toasted coconut and a traditional graham cracker, which is gonna be the crust of our key lime pie.
Nice, nice, nice.
So we got 1.5 parts of that coconut syrup going right into our tin. Lime juice going in.
I have a question. What's the difference between a key lime pie and a lime pie?
Key limes are very small. They're a little bit thinner in flesh, and they have less acidity, if you will. A little bit more true fruit lime. Interestingly enough, they haven't been growing commercially in Florida since 1926. Got wiped out by the storm. Next up, we're going in with our ice.
What do you think of this?
Graham crackers in too, yeah?
Yeah, okay. One?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Yeah.
AJ, how do you, oh no.
No,
I messed
fucked
this
it up.
No, you look great. I
Oh, you
Furnace.
gave me a heart attack, man.
This, I'm assuming, is off-screen magic. We're gonna cut, we gotta get these things rimmed so that I can pour this in, yeah? Or no, we're just gonna make, I'm not assuming anything today.
I'm not assuming it.
All right, so to rim this, we're gonna use a little bit of our coconut syrup, wet the rim so we have something sticky for our garnish. Give it a roll, tilt it like this. I'm gonna sprinkle it downwards so that I don't actually end up with it in my glass. I'm not doing a great job. I want this thick. Can you make this thick, AJ?
Yeah, I can work on it.
Syrup me up.
Love a good thick rim.
Cucumber is definitely nowhere near this ever. But coconut can work. We're getting the cocoa.
Am I approved?
A+.
Like a boss.
So you finish that up, both of our cocktails, and we are gonna top this up with a little bit of soda water. This is delicious. We'll stir to marry it through. This is it, AJ. To us.
To us.
The crunch, the bite. But you know what's gonna make it better? Our South Florida Fika. Smoked fish dip. That's delicious.
Wow. It's so easy.
Too easy, right? I can't wait to see you guys create this at home, so don't forget to please like the channel, subscribe to the channel, comment on this video, use the hashtag Absolut Drinks. Until next time.
We want to see you get fishy.
Cheers.